In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the One Piece World Seeker game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. You can then type in One Piece World Seeker to begin your search. And once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. If you scroll down, you can see the Add to Cart button, alongside the various bundles or edition. Just click on whichever one you wish, and then you can click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. In order to make your payment, you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just fill in your card number and your expiration date, followed by your billing information. You may save this payment method for later as well. And once you continue, you can finalize your transaction, and then the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game within your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the One Piece World Seeker game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install One Piece World Seeker on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.